Hello guys, Salman Naseem here. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create animated infographics that could be used for your website, presentation or for our videos. We will use Vyond, which is awesome online tool for creating animations. The link is in the description. So after clicking on make a video button, we'll go and select the contemporary style. It will take some time to load it. Once it gets loaded, you will see screen something similar to this. We'll click on a preview to check the first infographic which comes by default. We can easily change any kind of things within that template. For example, I'll write down Bing animator over here. That will include it to our animation. Same goes for the description. And even we can resize it according to our requirement. The another thing is we'll just replace this cup of tea by right clicking to it and select the replace. That will take us to the prop sections of Vyond. We'll replace it with cookies. So you can check that the cookies will automatically replace, and that will automatically add it to our animation. The another way is we can copy paste anything. Like for example, if I copy that and paste it by clicking Ctrl V, you can see that we have another prop over here. To learn further, we'll click on add scene button. We have three options over here: add the blank scene, continue with the last scene, and choose the template. First of all, we'll choose the template one. There are hundreds of templates related to each and every field almost. We can select the healthcare from here and select this one. Just preview it before doing any change. We'll just preview it to check the animation. Check these cars are passing from there, and there is one character which is standing behind it. We'll just select the character and we'll give some animation to it. Like we'll select this character and go for action one, and we'll select walk. Once we search the walk, there are a number of animation related to walk over here. We'll go for that one, walking with briefcase. We can even check it before placing the animation, like in a stick form, you can say. Before applying anything, we can check these kind of animations. So we'll just click on apply button, and once we click on a preview, you can see there is a walk cycle of that character. But the problem is the character still stay on the same position all the time. So we'll just have to click on a character and go for motion path. We'll select the path, line, and horizontal on a left direction. Now if we click on a preview button, you can see that our character will start walking. It's going very fast. So what we'll do, we'll select this and we'll bring it here, over here to understand it much better way. We'll go and select this and we'll bring it over here. Now just click the preview button to check the animation. It's looking much better than before. We'll just place this character to the previous location. Just place it over here on the position we want. We can check it by clicking on preview. It's super cool, right? Like we can easily change anything within that template. So we'll go and click on a plus button again. Now we'll go for continue with the last scene. You can check that it is still working, like the character is still walking on the same sense, but we can change the animation from there. Like we'll go for action and we'll go for stand. So we'll go select this one. Maybe you people already observed that there are few plus zoom button, which simply mean that we'll have only one pose of that character. If you need the animation, you will have to select these one which with the play button. For example, if we select this, there is no animation involved for that character. But if we select that one, you can see there is animation. Now we'll go for last but the most important one. We'll click on a plus button over here and go for add blank scene. From here we will start learning the basic of Vyond and how to work on a Vyond for creating infographics, like customized infographics. To drag it will just increase the duration by just scale our slide little bit, and now our canvas, or you can say the slide, is completely empty with the white color. We'll go with the first option, which names as upload. Here we can upload the audios and pictures and many things more, anything else you want, like related to digital media. We'll just select this one, the J one, and bring it over here, and I'll scale down and put it here. The another one is the character. We are in a contemporary mode and there are 307 character within that mode. So we'll go for again for the healthcare, because you can say that there is a COVID and we'll have to salute these medical workers for sacrificing for people like us. So we'll select this surgeon one over here, and we'll go and put it over here. The another one is prop. We'll go for nature one, and we'll check for the animation. There are few animation there are animation over here also, like we can select this cloud raining from here, so the cloud automatically start raining over once we add. Like if we click on a preview button, you can see that the cloud is raining. We'll put some infographic type of animation to our cloud. For example, I'll just bring that cloud to here, and we'll add the entering effect by clicking over here, and we'll do this. And there are number of effects which we can add, and I'll go for blur. We can click on a preview to check the effect. So I think this should be there should be some delay within that prop for that cloud. I'll select 2 seconds over here and click on a preview. Now the cloud is entered to our scene after 2 seconds, and I'll select this character, the character over here, and we'll go for again entering the scene, entering the effect, and we'll go for slide, and we'll select this down and apply it. And as our cloud have 2 second animation, we'll go for 3 second over here, and we'll bring this one also and select this. We'll go for pop and select the ring, and we'll put the delay of 4 seconds over here. Now if we click on a preview button, you can see the clouds come, and then all of a sudden these characters appear from the top. Same way we can add the exit effect, which I will not cover in a detail, the video is already too much long. I'll just go for chart and place this chart over here. So we have little infographic within the software. Once everything is ready, we can download it with the GIF or with the HT file. If we want to use it for our presentation or website, we'll go for GIF, and if we want to use it for our videos, we'll go for 720 video. Last but not least is the layers, or you can say the arrangement of Vyond. We can just select anything and go for the arrangement. There is a order, align, and distribute. Like we can bring anything forward, backward, or send to completely backward as per our requirement. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe Being Animator YouTube channel. See you in the next video.